Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking. So guys, today I am gonna make some plantain porridge, guys. So come along with me, guys. So guys, this is my green plantain. So guys, I'm gonna peel the plantain. Yes guys, I'm gonna peel the plantain to make the porridge. So here I'm cutting the plantain bottom and the top off, and then I'm gonna core it or slice it with my knife, and then I'm gonna take off the skin, guys. So this is how I prepare the plantain before I make the porridge. Yes guys, so I hope you're enjoying this video, guys. Please subscribe, comment and share. Alright guys, thank you so much for subscribing, guys. All my subscribers, thank you so much. And for my new subscriber, future subscriber, thank you also for subscribing to my channel. So here you go, guys. I'm finished peeling the plantain. So now guys, I'm gonna cut up the plantain so that I can blend it, guys. So I'm cutting it up, guys. Be careful with the knife. Don't worry, I'm a pro at knife, guys, so this won't cut me. So there you go, guys. I'm cutting out plantain. It's cold outside, guys, and I need something to keep us warm. So I get up this morning. During the winter time, we cook a lot of porridge and soup. So guys, here you go. I finished cutting the plantain. Now I'm gonna blend the plantain. I use my NutriBullet, and I'm adding the water to the pot that I'm gonna use. I don't put a lot of water, guys. I just put enough to boil up. So when I put the plantain in there, it's not, have water in the pot. So right here, guys, I'm adding some nutmeg. Yes guys, I'm adding some nutmeg, and I'm adding cinnamon also, guys. Okay guys, so right here I'm putting the plantain in the bullet. Pour some water in the bullet, guys, and then I'm covering the bullet, guys. So I'm covering the blender top, the blender cup. So right here, guys, I'm blending the plantain. So I'm gonna blend it until everything completely smooth out, guys. It's completely smooth. So guys, there you go, guys, finish. And I'm doing another batch of plantain. Right here I'm adding some oats, and I'm gonna add some flour, guys. So this is a plantain and oats porridge, guys, but I have to add some flour also to help thicken the plantain, guys. So right you go, guys, I'm making another batch, and then I'm gonna mix everything together in my bowl before I pour it in the pot. So there you go, guys. All the plantain is completely dissolved, the flour and the oats. So guys, right here I'm gonna pour the mixture into the pot, the boiling water, and I'm gonna stir. I'm stirring this, guys. I'm stirring this. So here you go, guys. This is the plantain. I'm stirring. Okay, so I have to keep stirring, guys. Once you put the plantain in the pot, you have to keep stirring until everything becomes so thick. Right here, guys, the plantain is so thick. So because the porridge is very thick, I'm boiling some water that I'm gonna pour in to make the porridge a little bit thinner. Alright guys, so keep watching, guys. So you have to see that, guys, it's very thick. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna pour some boiling water in the pot to thin it out a little bit, guys. So there you go. I put the boiling water, and now I'm stirring the porridge, the plantain porridge, guys, with oats. So this is plantain and oats porridge. So I'm just gonna keep stirring it until it gets a little bit thinner. Yes, guys. So there you go, guys. I'm putting some more boiling water to get it exactly how I want. So guys, if you're making porridge and it is too thick, just boil some water and pour in there, or you boil the water at a time, so that if it's too thick, you just pour some boiling water in there. So there you go, guys. The porridge is thinner than how I started. So there you go, guys, nice and smooth and creamy, guys, plantain porridge with oats. So guys, I'm adding a little bit more warm boiling water because it was still a little bit more too thick. So I'm just gonna keep stirring this, guys. Stir, 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 stir. So there you go, guys, nice and creamy, and it's a lot less thinner. So here you go, guys. I'm just have to keep stirring until I get it completely everything mixed together. Yes, guys, that's my plantain porridge. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share, and thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it, guys, and may God continue to bless you for supporting me. So guys, this is a new channel that I start, and I want to say big up to Mr. Stimate right here, guys. I'm putting some pink salt in the porridge. Yeah, so I'm putting pink salt. So I already have the nutmeg and cinnamon in the water that I boil, and now the porridge is cooking, guys, because the plantain gonna take a while to cook. Here you go, guys, some vanilla, and over there, guys, I'm just making some scrambled egg. So right now you put the vanilla in and you keep stirring. That's my husband hand helping me to stir in the porridge. My husband, I like to make the porridge and ask my husband to sweeten it. So right there you go, guys. There is some condensed milk, guys. So I don't use any sugar, guys, because the condensed milk is already sweet. So you don't need to add sugar unless you really like liquid sweet. But we don't like liquid sweet, so we cut back on sugar. And there you go, guys. It's finished, and I'm plating the porridge. Okay, guys, don't come after me because the porridge is on the side of the plate. So there you go, guys. I'm plating the porridge. Nice and creamy plantain and oats porridge, guys. Thank you so much for watching.